Hello and welcome to Employment Law with YLaw. Um, one of employment law issues that really bothers me is how rampant and common it is for women to be dismissed almost immediately after they announce to the employer that they're pregnant. Now, I'm a business owner. I'm an employer. I understand that there are some things, that, like when a woman is pregnant or gives birth, obviously, they may not be earning as much money for the company as they would if they weren't. So I understand that pregnancy and maternity leave have financial consequences for an employer. However, being pregnant and being dismissed while you're pregnant in a very vulnerable stage of life, and you are the only sex that is able to give birth so that the society continues functioning, is a part of business. And if employer doesn't understand that just because somebody's pregnant doesn't make them no longer attractive for an employer, then they are opening themselves up to being sued left and right, and rightly so. So in a lot of situations, I see that an announcement is made regarding pregnancy, the person is dismissed, and the employer says, well, we laid you off or we fired you because of other reasons. It wasn't your pregnancy. But our Human Rights Tribunal has made it very clear that if the timing of it, if the spidey sense says that pregnancy had something to do with it, it doesn't have to be the main reason, but if it had even something to do with the dismissal, the employer is going to be on the hook. So it's a protected ground, and it's a sensitive ground, and it's protected for good reasons. So if you're an employer, it's very important to know in what situations your conduct could be perceived as discriminatory, and you could be facing a lot of fines and costs. And as an employee, it's really good to know your rights and the way to behave and act when you find out you're pregnant and during that process. Again, it's always best for humans to be humans and work together and understand that life is life. And, like women get pregnant and they give birth and they need to be supported instead of punished in a very vulnerable stage of their life. So if you need any help with that as an employer or an employee, you can always call us at 604-974-9529 or email lena@ylaw.ca. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.